You talk way too much.
That was awesome. Thank you for coming up. Good stuff, right?
Thanks, Garrett.
Ladies and gentlemen, who wants to win a transmission?
The bucket of destiny.
What? The bucket of destiny? Seriously? I love that.
For a manual transmission is here. The first, everybody wave at Gary on the TREMEC trailer, please.
There he is. Hey, Gary!
Say big thanks to Gary for driving that big basher all over the country this week.
And in the rain and the rivers, living the dream.
That's right. So we have a little special thing here we're going to do first. Because today we have 2 transmission kits to give away.
No way, I thought it was only one.
Well, there's one, but there's one for somebody very special that we want to do for them. So Mike at TREMEC and me and Gary want to give Jeff a 6-speed for his wagon for next year's power.
Get out of here.
Nope. So we're going to have you put that on your wagon for next year so he can save the stick.
Get that.
So thank you so much, Jeff, for everything you've done for us on Power Tour. We appreciate it. And now you'll be able to shift gears.
Look, holy, are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious. Serious as a heart attack.
Thank you. I usually am not spill, but yeah.
You're welcome. So let's help someone else have that dream right now.
Well, the old bastard up there, that guy, last year he told Gary, that's who I'm talking about. He loves my 55. Jeff, I love it. There's one thing I hate about it. It's like, what the heck? Transmission, I hate it.
That's right.
So then, yeah, during this show, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, thank you guys.
We appreciate it. All right, let's get this going. Who's ready? Got your ticket? Got Chris's daughter up here. Well, Chris will trim it, and she's going to pull some tickets out and hand them to Jeff.
What is your name, young lady?
What is your name?
Sophia.
Sophia. Give it up for Sophia. Her destiny is in your hands. Pick out a good one. Must be present to win. Pick out a good one, Sophia.
Okay, here we go.
And I love the bangs. Love the bangs. Sorry. That's the good one?
That's the good one.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the good one. It's ticket number 1630. It's pretty exciting, right? 16303. Who wants to win a transmission? 163035. 163035 going once. 163035 going twice. They're not here. 163035. You are done. I'm giving that to you. Pick another one, lovely Sophia, please. You guys still have a chance. Get a good one. All right, here we go. Whoa. 6622231. 6622231 going twice. 6622231.
Anybody?
Pick another one. That's for you, sir. Wow, usually we get them in 2. She's getting a good one. This is her first time picking, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, nice lady. All right, 74556. Oh, 1, 2. 74556 1 2.
We got it!
I don't think we have a winner. Going once. 7455612 going twice. I think you're gonna have to pick again, Sophie. They're not here.
Right here.
No. Oh. Wait, seriously? Let's see. 7455612, and your name is?
Randy Chenault.
Randy, congratulations.
Congratulations. You just won a 5 or 6 speed. A 6-speed manual transmission. But not only the transmission,
The complete installation.
The bell housing.
Bell housing, cross member, drive shaft, hydraulic. Whatever you want.
whatever you want.
Whatever you want. 5 or 6 speed.
6 feet.
We'll do it. Just come over to the trailer after this and we'll get her set up for you. So let's say congratulations to both of our winners today. Jeff finally wins one.
No, thank you for coming out and being a part of the Hot Rod Power Tour. It's just that simple.
Well, thank you, everybody. Every year, this is my 22nd Power Tour, and it gets better every year. It's a lot of work. It's hot. We break down when we make it, right? And we did it. And all of you did it.
Wait, hold on. You
Come
forgot,
back next year.
you forgot about the rain.
And the rain.
It rained. There's rain, there's traffic, it's the hot rod
Lightning.
outdoor, the lightning thunder. Enjoy it.
Yes.
You'll get stories to tell. And yeah, hopefully
Keep
you see the
coming.
next. Of
Come
course
back
you get a
next year.
picture.
We're gonna do it
Wait,
next
get in
year.
here. Get this guy right here. Look at this guy. There he is. Look, he's getting the gold. He's